You want to go viral, but you really don't know how. The truth is, most people that do go viral have a certain element to their videos that just make everybody go, I need to watch that. But what is the secret sauce, and how do you get that lightning in a bottle? We're going to break down one of the latest viral videos that involves a few elements that maybe you can add to your formula, plus 2 more viral videos and the names behind them. If it's your first time here, welcome to the Side Hustle Pursuit channel, the channel that helps you ditch that 9 to 5, so if you like content like this, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you're up to date every time we release new content just like this one. Now onto the video. By now, if you haven't seen the video of a little boy eating corn put to music, you need to see it. It's titled appropriately, It's Corn. I'd be surprised if you haven't seen it yet at all. After all, this is a viral video. Now, I'm going to assume that the person that put it together had intentions of it going viral, so all the elements are there at hand. One of the most important things about this formula to keep in mind is your audience. Who is this video for? Ultimately ask yourself, who is my audience? If it's a cat-related video, those that have cats can certainly relate. The corn video, however, is a broader audience. In fact, it's harder to target a particular audience other than those who just consume entertainment content and in this case are going to want to share this with friends. This video is both entertaining and funny, so your audience could be anyone, but because it was put out on TikTok, the creator knew going on this platform can reach the masses fast. But you can tell as soon as you start watching it, everyone will love this video. Here's a kid talking about corn, put to music. What's there not to like? So, tip number 1, know your audience. This leads me to the next part of viral tip number 2. Go above and beyond, and sometimes ridiculous. When going above and beyond, the first person that comes to mind is Mr. Beast. This YouTube creator is a master at creating viral videos, and not just one video, but multiple videos. While really known for crazy challenges and donation videos, his style is interesting and exciting. But it's his counting to 100,000 video that in just a few days gained him notoriety with tens and thousands of views in just a few days. Sure, it seems ridiculous, but who does this? That was the intriguing factor with this video. As a YouTube creator, he currently receives tens of millions of views regularly. What do you think of Mr. Beast? Tell us in the comments below. Last on the list for tips for going viral is to ask yourself, will this change culture in terms of how we see something? Simply put, will people want to adopt this idea with open arms? The year was 2012 and the dance craze flooded the internet. Gangnam Style had so much popularity it topped 1 billion views on YouTube. Like the song or not, we learned people love to dance and they love to be part of it. But what made this unique is it had its own dance. Everyone embraced it, and as they say, the rest is history. Psy's dance style would become a cultural phenomenon that everyone wanted to do. So, going viral may not be that easy to do, but with a few tips here and with the formula, you may be able to come up with your own viral video, and who knows where that could take you. To sum up the 3 tips, number 1, know your audience. Number 2, go above and beyond and sometimes ridiculous. Number 3, is it a fun idea that could change culture? Before we go, remember, going viral has its financial benefits. You may be able to make revenue off a music download, a product related to the video, or even a book, just to name a few, because at this point, you're creating authority. People will know your name. So if Mr. Beast was selling a course on thumbnails, who would want to buy it? Also, if you're here trying to build your YouTube channel, be sure to check out some of our other YouTube videos in the description box. We'll show you how to grow your channel faster and monetize it. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you soon.